Hello friends, today I will share with you how to use Vaseline and onion for hair straightening and fast hair growth. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, because never miss another update. First, I need onion. I want make onion juice. Onions are also very high in plant nutrients called quercetin. This is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. It helps to get rid of free radicals which can harm the cells of the body, including hair cells. It also protects our hair and skin from air pollution and other toxins. Besides, onions are a good source of biotin, often touted as the hair growth vitamin, flavonoids, manganese, copper, vitamin C, phosphorus, and folic acids, all very important for healthy and shiny hair. It has been scientifically shown that topical application of onion juice can help with hair loss. A study published in the Journal of Dermatology looked into the use of onion juice for alopecia areata, an autoimmune condition that causes patchy hair loss. Within 6 weeks of using onion juice, 86.9% of participants experienced new hair growth in the bald spots. Men had better success with this treatment than women. Second, I need 2 tablespoons Vaseline, for hair growth. The nourishing properties of Vaseline improve hair growth. They make hair thicker, stronger and voluminous. Reduces scalp itching. Regular itching that is caused due to dryness can be treated with the use of Vaseline. Small amount of Vaseline can be massaged on the scalp. This moisturizes that scalp and the hair roots too. Then I need warm water, only 5 minutes. Boil this ingredients. Mix it well. Can you talk to me? Any hair problem? Please comment. Ready for use on your hair. How do you use onion juice on your hair? Onion juice is applied to the hair and scalp. You simply pour the mixture on your palm and massage it into your scalp and hair. It is advisable to mix onion juice with oil or dilute it because it is potent and can cause irritation to your skin. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.